we'll be reviewing a rechargeable hand care bidet. The rechargeable hand carry bidet has 3 spraying modes: the relieve mode, strong mode, soft mode. It is also waterproof, easily clean and clears itself, in an adjustable 180 water pipe port. Automatically shuts down after 1 minute, which is energy saving, and can hold up to 180 milliliters of water. This is a must-have if you are into the hygiene, you like to wash after yourself after you go to the toilet. So this is going to be very, very, very useful for Muslims. Let's look what's inside the box. We have the device itself. We'll put that down, we'll look at it afterwards. We've got an extra bidet attachment in case you lose one. And underneath we have the charger, but you also get a little bag to put the charger and the bidet head into. Looks like it's got a USB Type-C port over here, and it closes very tight so no water goes in. So here we are, connects in like this, and then there's the handle. So it's massive, it's a massive thing, but when you finished with it, it's very, very compact, and this can fit into my pockets. Now, we need to give it a go. This spray button is the on button. Makes a loud sound, but you know what? That's fine. And then you've got 3 different modes. Now let's put some water in. And let's just say we finished with our business. Put a little bit of water in. This is going to be bad. So this is it on by itself. That's sprayed. Maybe I should not do it inside the room. No, we're not going to actually poo, okay? We're just going to see how practical this is. So I'm not going to get in too much description, but I am going to tell you what I'm doing without getting PG+. Okay, we're sitting down. We finished with our business. I didn't do anything just yet. We finished with our business and we are ready to spray. 3, 2, 1. I tried out 3 of the modes, and I like it. I'll be honest with you, this is very practical. There's a little bit of water left in it. Let me see. I'm going to aim it towards that side, right? To see if it empties it completely. Okay. So it's cleaning itself out at the moment. There is a bit of water left. Just juggling it a bit. But if I'm being honest, okay, just make sure you put any other liquid inside here. It doesn't make sense other than water, or you might get the actual bidet arm blocked. So you don't want that. All right. What would be nice on here if it had like a manual section where there's a different version of this where you could fill up the water in an inflatable rubber, and then it's got the bidet arm, and then you squeeze the inflatable rubber for it to push out the water. It would be nice to have a manual mechanism here, because if it does run out of battery and you've got nowhere to charge it, what do you do? That's the review for today. As always, if you'd like to get your hands on one of these portable bidets, then a link to that will be in the description below. Remember that it is an Amazon affiliate link. I am not sponsored by these guys. Make sure you like the video. Comment down what you think. Is it useful to you? Are you a traveler? You don't have to be a traveler as well. This could be useful at work. I know some workplaces, they just have toilet rolls. Wash your ass, okay? Wash your ass. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.